to be cognizant of. First rates, not too many newsmakers, but you really want to start with that big fat F&O list and the odd ones out there. DMart is the odd one out for me. Jio and Zomato are the obvious ones. So Jio Financial Services, there it goes, rise and shine. Zomato, there it goes, it is moving higher. DMart, no reaction, because markets know that when an expensive stock becomes part of F&O list, and if they're going through a string of earning disappointment, there is going to be more downside than upside. The momentum works on both the ways, upside and downside. The other stock where everybody thinks that there could be Sensex adjustment or Nifty adjustment could be Hero MotoCorp and BPCL. They could be moving out of the F&O if Zomato and Jio Financial Services have to be included. I just want to mark Swiggy. You want to mark Eicher. And then Dilip Buildcon, I was looking at numbers in the morning. The EBITDA has gone up, but revenue is down. I think that could be because of BOT, because other peers have also reported same numbers. Where is Dilip Buildcon? Did you see it? Eicher is up 6%. And let's wait for Dilip Buildcon to load up. Just mentioning it. Swiggy is down 6%. It's doing reasonably well. 20% up now from the IPO price, which is frankly great news in this kind of a market. So there you go. Breath is okay. So far, so good. You stay here. I think that would be a victory for the bulls.
Swiggy's definitely gotten off to a good start. It listed at an update, closed about, I think, almost 17% of a premium to its issue price, and today as well higher by 7%. And this when just about everyone on the street thought that it's going to have a muted listing. But anyway, there's Thermax also, which has come out with its numbers. The margins have seen an uptick of about 170 basis points. Tata Power, then they've commissioned that 126 megawatt floating solar project in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Look out for that too. Apollo Tyres also came out with its numbers. It's an inline set for the second quarter. Margins at 13.6%, a little lower than what the street was anticipating, but 2.5% of an uptick coming in for Apollo Tyres. Nalco, of course, is the big beat. It's been a healthy Q2 for them. Look out for what that stock is doing. Varun Beverages, that 7,500 crore rupee QIP opens today, so I want to check in on that stock too. About less than 1% higher for Varun Beverages. There's, of course, Vodafone Idea too, wherein the Q2 net loss is only widened, like we earlier highlighted. The stock holding up marginally in the green as we speak right now. And then CLSA, they maintain their underperform, up the target price, in BHEL 205 is the new target price. BHEL absolutely flat as we speak right now in trade. There's, of course, Happiest Minds also. It's been a steady second quarter for them. The dollar revenues have seen an uptick of over 12%. The constant currency revenue is higher by nearly 13% sequentially. Then, of course, there's AstraZeneca as well, which came out with its numbers. GRSE as well, steady second quarter for them. RCF has come out with a decent set of numbers. Nikunj was just highlighting Dilip Buildcon. PNB Housing, remember there was that sizable block deal yesterday, and Morgan Stanley has bought 1.4 crore shares via block deals in PNB Housing. So look out for what that stock as well does. Cipla, the US FDA has issued 8 observations for their Bangalore-based manufacturing unit. So look out for what that stock does. Well, there's no weakness even on that one. Forget even Eicher. 0.5% higher for Cipla too. For PI Industries, it's been a muted growth led by the pharma segment for them. The FY25 revenue growth estimate has been lowered now. PI Industries, of course, is cracking very hard. 6.25% lower for PI Industries. Deepak Nitrite, again, the margins have fallen to 30 basis points. So weak numbers coming in there. For Torrent Power as well, it's been a weak second quarter. The thermal business EBITDA is lower. For Sun TV, revenues have fallen. Margins have slipped more than 1,100 basis points. Sun TV absolutely flat in trade right now. But Naresh, what's looking good to trade right now? Seems like at least the selling on opening bell seems to have stalled a little bit.
Yeah, so on the opening bell, but we need to see where we close by end of the day. So in terms of a bet, it would be a risk reward bet on PFC, which had seen good numbers and price action is now back to the same prices. So with a stop loss at 450, that looks interesting.
Okay. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.